Hi Diz fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura from DisDiva's Magical Adventures. It has been quite a long time since I have posted a video. I think the last video I posted was Year of the Ear for December, so it's been a couple months. But I'm happy to be back. I'm really excited for this Year of the Ear because it's underrated characters. And there's so many characters that I think are underrated that don't really get seen or talked about. So I'm super excited to jump in and see what character or characters that maybe I got this month. So I already got, I cut the box open just to make it easier. And I see a little note on top of here that says, "Hello, hope you love the ears. I hand painted both sides. Not the most perfect, but I tried. Love and hugs and pixie dust, Melodie. Enchanted Daydreams." I'm pretty sure I've sent to Melodie before. So I'm really excited to see what these ears are, and I love that she hand painted them. That's really unique and special, and we're actually going on a Disney trip for my birthday. So I feel like I'm definitely going to be taking these ears with me. I'm just excited to see. So we're going to open. There's lots of bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are going to be perfect. I wanted Disney bound as this princess, and this goes along. This is her sidekick. But it's Pascal. Oh, okay, Melodie, you did amazing. I could never hand paint anything like that. He's so cute, and I love the ribbon that kind of mimics Rapunzel's hair. And you got the cute little flower bow, and this beautiful sun that represents Rapunzel. That is so pretty. I also really like the back because it looks like the scale of Pascal. And I think Pascal and a lot of like Pascal, Maximus are very underrated, and normally when you think of Tangled, you just think of Flynn and Rapunzel. So I'm really glad that she picked this character because he's definitely one of my favorites. And I really wanted Disney bound as Rapunzel, so these would be really fun to do. Oh, as I was talking, I noticed, I didn't realize there was another flower in the back, so these really could be reversible. Oh man, Melly, I didn't even notice that until I was talking. That's really, really neat. Okay, so I'm going to take these off. So these are my ears from December, my snack ears. I'm going to put these on if you guys can see them. Oh, they're so pretty, and they're comfortable too. Thank you so much, Melodie. These mean a lot to me because Tangled is one of my all-time favorites in general. And these will be really fun for my Disney bound in June. So thank you so much. You put a lot of detail and just love and creativity into these, and I really do appreciate it. And I love this ear swab. I love having unique ears, and I love that everyone has a different way of making them, and they put so much thought into it. So this is a really special swap, and I love when I get to be a part of it. So that was Year of the Ear for March, underrated characters. Hopefully I will be back soon and have some more videos coming up. Thank you guys for watching always. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you guys so much. See you real soon.